something else you're searching for. I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. I'm of the deep end, watchers I dive in. I'll never make the ground. Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, shallow. In the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Oh, 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 oh. I'm of the deep end, watchers I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, shallow. In the shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Well done, Katie. Louise, what did you think?
First off, Kate, you look lovely. You really do. You've done yourself up lovely. You know, I know you were kind of heart set on singing that song. You know, we all know it is a basic song. We hear it all the time. But you had your heart set on it, and so that's why in the week I was like, okay, let's change it up a little bit. Let's add a little bit extra into it. And that top note, finally, you went for it and you got it spot on. Well done. I think you need to give us a bit more eye contact, because you were looking down quite a lot, you know, and it's we want to connect with you when you perform. You know, we don't want to just be looking at the side of someone's face looking down. We want to be able to connect with you and connect with the emotion that you're portraying in the song. But yeah, I like the changes. I was a little bit disappointed that in the week when we were going through the song, you know, in Far From the Shallow, you were doing that more into your falsetto kind of place, whereas you didn't do it as much on the video. So I did miss that a bit, because I think you could have played with that a little bit more, because that really did add something nice into it. But you got the top note, and you just need to believe in yourself and keep pushing yourself. And I will keep pushing you, same as I did in the week, because I know what you could do, and you have no idea what you're capable of. So keep pushing yourself, keep working hard, and keep improving. Well done.
Kelly?
Do you know, you sang that song beautifully. There's no question about your ability with your voice. I love the fact that you changed it up. I love that you took it higher. But for me, it was a little bit of a boring song choice for you. And I don't want you to get lost because you're choosing the wrong songs. You are much bigger than that song. Quite a few people have done that song, and I just feel like you could have taken on something to showcase your voice better, if that makes sense. That it doesn't take away from the fact that you sang it beautifully. We've heard you chuck in a couple of riffs here and there, you know, last season, and I really want you to try and focus on that this season, because you've just got the potential, and you can do so much more with a song if you chuck in a riff here and there, and I know that you're capable of that. So for me, I'd like to see you concentrate on that as well. It was a beautiful performance, it was. I just want you to be more conscious of choosing a song that maybe pushes you a little bit more then.
Yeah, I mean, Katie, you made the finals last season. You made the finals for a reason, because we've seen you grow so much. The trouble is, when somebody that's done the process that we've seen before that comes into this, I always feel you've got to work a lot harder, because we've seen so much of you. You need to step it up even more again when you come back into this. That's how I feel. You have the potential to do that, and when you're coming into this season, last week was a brilliant way to come into it. You came into it perfectly. But I feel like with this song choice, it's kind of one of them songs that's been overdone. And not even that, I just imaged you doing a lot more with it from what we've seen in the past with your runs, with your falsetto. And none of that was in this, really. Like, I like that one part where you had the note go up. I did like that, but that was one note out of the whole song. So just be careful how you're picking these songs this season, because you need to be flying, because you're capable of it. You need to be flying. So make sure you come out and everything. You're picking the best choices you can pick. You're doing the best things you can do with your voice. Everything needs to be on form. Because for me personally, that's what is expected, because I have seen you before. I've seen you go through a full season and achieve so much. So if we're going to take a step further this season, you need to be bringing it, every little detail, songs, everything needs to come out from the get-go. And you did that last week, so next week, bring it. All right, well done.